And Education Minister Fayval Williams now joins us live to respond to some of the issues facing teachers and students at the Happy Grove High School. Minister Williams, thanks for joining us.
You're welcome. Good afternoon to your viewers.
Good. All right. First of all, when did you become aware of the situation at Happy Grove High School?
So I became aware of it yesterday when MP Anne-Marie Vaz called me and sent me a copy of a letter that the principal would have written to her about the situation. What we did yesterday, as soon as we got that letter from her, in addition to having conversations with her, we dispatched our team to the school. They were there today, and they would have sent back a report late afternoon about what it is that they found. So essentially, what they told us, the ministry team, is that Happy Grove, is in the midst of this construction that's happening there, the road construction. Yes, and they did confirm the issues as were laid out in the letter in terms of the difficulties students are having getting to and from school. And so after getting that report, I would have gone together with our transportation or safety and security director at the ministry to see what we could do to help to alleviate the situation. And as of now, in terms of our thinking and what we will be putting in place, we will be putting in place some additional transportation for the students. We're looking at about 5 buses to go. Some would go from Port Antonio to Happy Grove, and then from St. Thomas to Happy Grove, in order to help to alleviate the situation. Additionally, I know we will be we started speaking with the principal about going back to a rotation, meaning not have all the students at school every day, but rotate them every other day, and to also use the virtual space to help the school over this period. We know that the road construction is going to come to an end, but during the time that it is happening, these are some of the things that we can put in place to help the students during this time while the construction is going on.
Okay, most of the issues were pointed out at Happy Grove High. Are there any other schools along that belt, or would students be using that roadway to get to other schools in the parish?
Reports from other schools. This is the one that has come to our attention. And just let me say, generally across Jamaica, I know that there are transportation issues for our students, especially our students outside of Kingston and St. Andrew. They have a hard time with transportation in terms of the cost of the transportation and just the frequency of it. So from a system-wide perspective, we are aware. I know the ministry spends about $300 million a year on its rural transportation program to help about 7,500 students across many of our parishes. Additionally, just recently, we would have joined forces with the Ministry of Transport to activate the train again that goes from Old Harbor to Linstead, to help schools on that belt, Linstead to Spanish Town, to help students that attend schools that are close by. So we understand the issues with transportation. It is not just a Happy Grove situation, but we know theirs has been compounded by the fact that you have this massive road construction going on that's supposed to, when it's finished, to make access easier for all who have to use those roads in that area.
Okay, so just to be clear, you said these 5 buses will be in operation tomorrow morning?
No. We are.
How soon can we expect it to be in operation?
We just got the report late this afternoon, and we that's where our headspace is in terms of how do we help these students right now who are experiencing this problem. We hope we can get it started tomorrow, but don't hold us to it. We are working on it. We'll work on it, tonight. We're working on it with the members of parliament that are involved as well in the area, to get these buses in place and to help our students to get to school and back, but also, again, overlay that with the rotation and some virtual online classes and so forth.
Okay, good. All right, thank you very much. Fayval Williams, Education Minister, responding to the issues in Portland and the Happy Grove High School.